Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. It was a virtual Soca party on Saturday night.
We will be blazing across all the airwaves tonight.
In response to bars and events being closed by the government as a measure to further control the spread of COVID-19 in Jamaica. The blazing Fame 95 FM went on the airwaves with a live 3-hour Soca fete, rightfully dubbed Soca Frequency.
When I got the call to host Soca Frequency, I was excited when I heard the concept. It was genius. I mean, I'm happy to be a part of history. I mean, going live with the radio and TV brands.
To the future, to the future. Everybody take a jump to the future, to the future, to the future. Everybody take a jump to the future.
The event was also live on RETV's cable channels, Fame's Instagram page, TVJ's YouTube and Facebook pages, and streamed worldwide on onespotmedia.com. The first of its kind for radio and TV saw 3 Fame FM DJs, Arif Cooper, King Taj and Franco, juggling and having a little friendly competition.
The people at RETV can tell you, the camera shake a while ago, to everybody was in a frenzy a while ago. Anyway,
Arif kind of took this round. But I don't
The event was powered by Smirnoff, which offered the virtual partygoers in Kingston and Portmore the opportunity to order via phone and have their orders delivered to their homes.
So, with COVID-19 and the need for social distancing, the Smirnoff team decided to join forces with the promoters to keep consumers connected in a fun way.
The Soca event trended on Saturday night and the persons have already been asking for more.
We have been getting a lot of feedback on social media. When is the next virtual party? Well, you have to stay tuned to all our brands. We're going to top the vibes on another level this Saturday.
You can also watch highlights this week right here on TVJ. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.